Hello everyone, welcome to easyedu, and today we are going to discuss about the product rule and how to use the product rule to take the derivative of a function. Now the simple method we use in derivatives, if we have a function like y is equal to 8 into x power 4, then we use the simple method or the simple power rules and it gives us a result. But the power rule of derivatives cannot be used for every function. Now what if we have a function like y is equal to 4x minus 3x square into 4 plus 3x, how to take the derivative of this kind of function? Now the simple method we might be thinking is that we will take the derivative of this, then we will take the derivative of this, then we will take derivative of this, and it will give us a result of 4 minus 6x into 3, and further solving we will have this. But this is not the right way to take the derivative of a function like this, which is a product of two separate pieces or two separate terms. This is incorrect method, so we will use the product rule to take the derivative of such kind of function which have two separate pieces like this. This is the first one and this is the second one. Now here is the formula of the product rule. If we have a function y is equal to fx dot g of x, which have two functions fx and gx, and these two functions fx and gx are in multiplication with one another, then we will apply the product rule to take the derivative of this kind of function. We will have dy by dx. We will leave the first function as it is fx, and we will take the derivative of the second term or the second piece. So we will have g prime of x, then we will write plus sign, and we will leave the second term as it is gx, and we will take derivative of the first piece of this function. So we will have dy by dx is equal to f of x into g prime of x, then we write plus, then we leave the second and take derivative of the first function. So this is the product rule. We can use this product rule to take the derivative of a function which have two separate pieces and are in multiplication with one another. So to solve this kind of function which is a product of two separate pieces or two separate terms, this is the first piece and this is the second piece. So if we are going to take the derivative of this kind of function, then we will use the product rule. Taking derivative of this y, this will become y prime. Now according to product rule, we will leave the first term as 4x minus 3x square, and we will take derivative of this second part of the function. So we will have d by dx into 4 plus 3x. Then we will write a plus sign and we will leave the second term 4 plus 3x, and we will take derivative of the first term which is 4x minus 3x square, this one. So taking derivative of this is a constant, so taking derivative of 4 will become 0, and taking derivative of 3x we will have only 3. Now taking derivative of 4x minus 3x square we will have 4, and taking derivative of minus 3x square we will have 3 multiplied by 2x power 1, so this become minus 6x. So we have applied the product rule so far. Further simplifying this, we can multiply this 3 with this term, and with this term we will have 12x minus 9x square, and multiplying this 4 with 4 we will have 16, then multiplying 4 with minus 6x we will have minus 24x, multiplying 3x with 4 we will have 12x, and multiplying 3x with minus 6x we will have minus 18x square. Now this 12x and 12x will add, this will become 24x, and minus 24x, they will cancel out with one another. Minus 9x square will add with minus 18x square, which will become minus 27x square, and 16x will come here. So this is the final derivative. You can use the product rule to take derivatives of any function which have two separate pieces in multiplication with one another. That's it. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe easyedu for more videos.